Hey, this is Becky Davis, and this is a quick tip that you can use to increase your conversion rate on mobile. Now, you'll probably have seen this in applications like Gmail. It's part of Google's material design specs, but all you do is you put the call to action that you want people to take down in the lower right-hand corner of your phone on your mobile site. Now, the first time I used this, I put a phone call icon right there. We increased conversion rate on phone calls 150%. So that was 150% increase in calls that we were getting from visitors. And we did not see any decrease in form fills. So this is an extremely effective tactic that you can use. Now, you also don't have to have it just be a circle there. You can have it across the phone. So you can see that here. Or if you look at Google's material design specs, you can also have a longer floating call to action button right in the center or a little bit off to the side where you actually spell out the full call to action. You just want to make sure that you're using the appropriate one for what you want the visitor to do. So make sure it's very clear. For instance, they have here, add to cart button. That could probably also be an icon, but some of your call to actions may not be able to be an icon. So in that case, you can use this one. All right, that's it. Try it out, let me know how it works, and click through to the next video to see more tips on increasing conversion rate.